Things are getting ultra crazy, especially when it comes to generating music with AI. In this video, I am going to introduce you to this new tool, Udio, which is being touted as ChatGPT for music. Udio is built by Udio, and they are quite known for building AI tools to enable the next generation of music creators. They believe that AI has the potential to expand musical horizons and enable anyone to create extraordinary music. Udio allows users to create music from simple text prompts by specifying topics, genres, and other descriptors, which are then transformed into professional quality tracks. And it is really insane when you generate music with Udio. I know I am really blowing it, maybe not out of proportions, but it is really good. So much so that last night when I checked it, when I first came to know about it, it's not that old. The speed was good, but now it has become so famous that now when I try to generate the music with it, it takes really long time, and you can see the warning at the bottom where they have this ribbon which says that due to heavy load, generations are much slower than usual, and they are working hard to improve performance. And good thing is that you don't have to give any credit card, I suppose, and they give you few credits. So meanwhile, I describe it to you. Let me also give it a text prompt to generate a song so that it will take bit of a time and then we will go from there. Now, let me ask it to create a Qawwali song. A Qawwali song is a sort of a Sufi song about uh, divine things, but in this one, I'm asking it a Qawwali about divine subjugations in the style of Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. So that's all you need to do. You can write your own lyrics. You can go with instrumental only, but I'm going to go with auto generated. You can select other tags too, but I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to click on create. And you can Google about Qawwali, and Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan is one of the legendary music creator composer from Pakistan. Really, if you haven't heard him, I would highly suggest that you should hear him. He passed away a few years ago, but his melodies and his songs and qawwalis are time. Anyway, so let me click on create, and then I will let it run there, and you can see that it is creating two of them. Now, while that happens, let me give you some more background on into this Udio, which is quite good. So Udio, as an organization, is quite committed to empowering artists and work alongside some of the most brilliant and creative artists in the music industry. But I still believe things are really, really crazier there. So also one good thing about Udio is that it is not just in English; it also supports various other languages, which is quite, I would say, insane. I think it also supports Japanese, Russian, Polish, German, French, Italian, and a few other languages. So I'm not sure if it would be able to do this one, but anyway, let's try it out. Also, you can create custom lyrics as you just saw. You can put it on your own, and you can simply uh, tweak it in terms of your genre and a lot of other stuffs. Now, having said that, I think that even this version 1 is quite out of this world, in my humble opinion. So it is pretty scary thinking what is going to exist a year or two from now, and what it means for musicians, listeners, and the industry as a whole. The majority of music consumed on streaming sites are algorithm suggested songs, if you might, and it seems that the next step is creating music on the fly based on the user's preferences. These are really crazy times. So if you really look at the future of music industry, given the release of Udio and Suno AI and various other tools, things are really going in a very weird direction. Royalty free and commercial advertising music will be replaced, in my humble opinion. It's tough. It is going to be tough because those are industries where musicians can make a meaningful income. But at the same time, uh, would it replace bands or singers? I'm not sure. So just think about it. These days, if you like a band, you buy their merchandise, you buy their t-shirts, you buy their all the swag. But would you buy a swag or t-shirt of an AI generated t-shirt. For example, this Kawali song which I am generating right now, if you really love it, like it, and you play it again and again, if I put in a t-shirt of it, would you buy it? So this is a question about it. So there will be a whole industry which is going in the danger of getting wiped out. The thing is that people follow human singers not just for their music, because of also of their personalities and what they express about themselves. It's also true that it is easy to automate art. With AI, you can really create a lot of good art, whether it's music, painting, or whatever. But can we automate the rest of the human personality? I'm not sure. So, but you can already see that people and companies and venture capitalists, they are dropping billions of dollars into automating away these more sophisticated like role, especially in terms of art. So I'm not sure that these creative pursuits will be pursued by humans with as uh, passion as we see these days. So very, I think, uncertain times ahead, especially for the artists, whether they're in the music industry or in the painting industry. So let me know your thoughts on it. I'm very, very keen to hear. So let's see what happens. And as you can see that I'm speaking for almost 5 minutes now and it is still creating the song. So let's wait for it to finish and see what it does and then we will play it out. So you can see that it's been 18 minutes now and it's still running and I have plenty of other things to do. Unfortunately, I think the whole world is now creating songs on it. So that is why they are unable to keep up with the demand. Anyway, so you can just click on discover and then you can go through a lot of things which people have created. I'm not sure if I would play it out, then I might be, slug with YouTube um, copyright. So I'm not going to do it, but I would highly suggest you to go into their website and try these things out, because one thing I can tell you, that is scary. uh, for example, I was listening to this, let me see, this chill of night towards the end, and oh my god, this is amazing. Especially you can see that these are lyric less thought. A lot of good stuff is happening. This one is quite amazing, the B sharps one. And then these are the trending ones. If you keep scrolling down, Carolina, oh, it is quite good. One thing I noticed that I was unable to find any Indian, Pakistani sort of songs or African. Mainly they are geared towards the Western style of music, but I'm more than sure that you can, definitely create something of the South Asian sort of genres. And then there are various other tracks which go on and on and on. And of course, you can go to this liked song, and then you can access their social media presence here, Twitter, and all that. Amazing, tool. But as you can see, that it is quite slow just due to the demand. Anyway, I'll drop the link to it in video's description if you have the patience, or I'm not sure if they have the paid option. Then you can see if you can, maybe for the paid option one, you might be able to set more quickly. But even if you just discover it and play around these things, you will be able to see the quality of it. That's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.